Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So we have a hands-on video about Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, and we know it will come with IP68 water resistance rating, and which basically means you can ride it on in rain also. But yeah, the hands-on video, as you can see on the screen here, from the back side you can clearly tell it is S9, and from the video you can say that it literally has water resistance rating. And yeah, overall it looks nice. Like the S9 is shown in its full potential, where you can literally spill water on it and it won't affect the performance, and there won't be any leakage of like the damaged components and stuff, because S9 is going to be water resistant. And there are tablets which are water resistant, but they are called rugged ones and stuff like that, rugged tablets, and they are not that good to use. But yeah, this one looks nice, that it will be slim and it also will be water resistant with IP68. Also we have three freebies, and S9 tablet will be available from July 26. Pre-order will start on July 26, so if you want it you can buy, pre-order it, and release is set for 10th of August. And you will get a YouTube Premium membership for 6 months or so, and the redemption period is between July till 4th of Jan. So yeah, pretty big time, but yeah. And also you get $50 credit in your Samsung credit when you pre-order it. If you just need to reserve it and you will get the $50 credit. Along with it, there will be third gift, which will be the keyboard, the Flex keyboard, magnetic keyboard, which is a nice thing. And also you will get up to 340 savings in towards your Galaxy devices. Like it will unlock up to $340 off when you exchange your Galaxy devices. So yeah, overall it's a pretty nice thing. And this is the specification of all Tab series: Tab S9, S9 Plus, and S9 Ultra. You can just pause the video and check, but I will not go over it. But S9 Ultra looks pretty insane with that 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy SoC and stuff. But yeah, the selfie camera is also dual in S9 Ultra, and it will have most color accurate screen, and it will be able to produce 25% more colors compared to every other displays in the market. Along with it, we also have the fastest processor ever in a Galaxy tablet, which will be S8 plus Gen, not 8 plus Gen 2, but 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, and it is basically similar to 8 plus Gen 2. And along with it, it will have up to 16 GB of VRAM and stuff. So yeah, Tab S9 is looking pretty insane, and the price is also leaked for S9 8 GB 128 GB of RAM is in Canadian, as you can see on the screen here, 1099, 1349, and 1599. When you compare it to European pricing, 12 to 56 will be 1049 euros, 1149 for 12 GB to 56 S9 Plus, and 1369 for S9 Ultra, which is a nice deal. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the stuff? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.